Yeah, we are on a. What trip is this, babe? We're on a trip. So yeah, guys, it's my 50th birthday. Um, and on Wednesday is Mrs. Pa's birthday. She's the one behind the camera. We're on our way to Uvongo. We've booked over for a few days. She's allowed me to take my one rod in the car, my Horizon, my Championship 5, Corsa 10,000. We're gonna go and yeah, we're just going out. We're gonna do some fishing tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe go scratch for some bream. We've just taken prawn. I've carried a shad spoon with me. And yeah, while we're on our way, guys, we are now passing Pumula. I've been invited to lunch at a Indian cuisine restaurant takeaway in Sea Park. Yeah, so yeah, guys, we are at Sea Park, and just at the traffic lights. Ashley from Sea Park Indian Delights. We're gonna go taste the bunny chow. Myself and Mrs. Pa. We're gonna go taste the bunny chows, and yeah, we'll let you know as how it is. And then from here, we are on our way to Uvongo. Here's it, baby. You can. Your destination is on the left. Record it. So it's right next to the beach, guys, and there's a shared hotspot behind us. I know Sea Park. There's a lot of shared. They get a lot of shared here. Hey guys, we are here at the Indian Delights. That's Ashley. As we're walking in, there's some customers here, guys. Can you tell us about Ashley's curries and Ashley's?
Yeah, we come periodically, not frequently, but we've been down the coast here for 3 years now, and we certainly enjoy the biryanis and the curries.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah, guys. So whenever you're in Sea Park, make sure you check out Ashley. Yeah, at Sea Park Indian Delights. All you fishermen that are following me, guys, you guys come down from Durban and everywhere. Make sure you come here. My wife and I are going to sample the bunny chow just now, and we're going to let you guys know. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, this looks. We've had a late breakfast, so Hazel and I are here. We're going to grab a taste of this. Yes. It smells like a Durban bunny chow. It smells like a Durban bunny chow. It does, trust you me. Just this gravy. And the potatoes. I haven't even got to the meat yet. The gravy and the potatoes are to die for.
Thank you.
Ashley, I want to tell you something. And I'm not saying this because we stopped and I'm telling you something. And I'm very fussy when it comes to chow. I love cooking, I love being around the kitchen.
Yeah.
This thing is, oh. Hey, so, guys, come on. No, you won't. Come, get a taste of it. Come on, get a taste of it. Come on. No, you won't. Come on now. Come on, you'll have to get a taste of it. Stop that. It's my birthday. You have to do everything that I say. She has to do everything. That gravy, and the potato. She has to do everything I say.
Wow, it's lovely. Wow, tasty.
You love that?
Very nice.
Yeah, guys, Ashley, we really appreciate the invite. Guys, check out when you guys are coming here. Sea Park, you're going past. She's got everything. All the pickles are here. Check this out. And that's, you made that yourself, eh? Oh my God. Tell us what you got here. You got, that's carrots.
That's carrots and onion. there's mango, there's pepperdew, there's vinegar chili, there's baby brinjals, and there's the dip.
Guys, please, just come try this bunny chows. She's got everything, like curries and rice. So we're gonna take away for supper, because like I said, we're staying at Uvongo. We're gonna take away 2 portions of curry, and
You want roti or you want?
we'll have
with
roti. Two portions of curry and roti.
Okay.
Thank you, we really appreciate that.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And how's it, Bob? How's it? Divine. Enjoyed it. 100%. Oh yeah. So while we're here, guys, there's a customer. Is that the customer?
He's not a customer.
He's a customer. Can you tell us about this chows? Can you tell us, like,
This
really?
lady here?
Yeah.
She doesn't want me to talk about it.
No, she does. Trust me.
Come on,
No,
He's being a video.
I've been here for
How
6,
many
7,
years?
8 years now.
Yeah.
And I've only come to her for my curries. I don't go anywhere else. And I'm right here now to get some samosas, which are the best in the coast.
Oh yeah, guys.
Definitely the best. By far the best. And then, of course, I normally take a beef curry. I think that's probably one of the...
And the biryani.
And oh yeah, well, forgotten the biryanis. We do veg biryani and we do chicken biryani.
100%.
We get those on a regular basis.
And
And our neighbours as well. So yeah, we're a group of people that from the complex that come here and buy.
100%. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's a happy chappy. So the samosas are to die for. You are at home, and yeah, Hazel is enjoying that. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be our home away from home for the next few days. If you see in the distance there, you will see Uvongo Pier. That's the Uvongo swimming beach, the main beach. Look at this beautiful estuary, guys. Oh my God. Look at those caves down there. Wow. So this is where we are. This is our home away from home. It's called Laguna Crete. We are in apartment number 90, eh? Beautiful. I'm gonna be definitely grilling, barbecuing on that. This is the beautiful lounge that we have for ourselves. Yeah, it's got everything, guys. The kitchen. Mrs. Pa walking away there. Checking out the rooms here, guys. We've just got you. We're gonna be here for the next few days. Definitely gonna go fishing. Definitely gonna go fishing. Our kids have said to us that we need a break. What did the boys say, babe? Said we need a break. Did they say we need a break? They said go and enjoy, take a break from everything and just go in. So yeah, this is us. We're gonna get our stuff settled in and definitely do some fishing. Stay tuned, guys. What? This little lighthouse. This is so pretty.
Whenever you get lost, I will be there for you. I'll pick you up when you are down, down. I will hold on tight and I will make it right.
Yeah, guys. Uh, we are at Marina Beach. The wife is behind the camera, Mrs. Pa. Uh, yeah, it's my 50th birthday. It's her birthday on Wednesday, so we decided to have a nice trip. Guys, I'm here. I'm looking for bronze bream in this white working water here. A lot of canteen around. But yeah, I'm speaking to the locals. The local says there hasn't been a lot of bream around, but I'm going to try and find myself a bream. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Canteen are in the millions. Look at that, guys. Immediate bites. Look at that. Just quarantines, guys. We should find a bream somewhere.
Whenever you get lost, I will be there for you. I'll pick you up when you are down, down. I will hold on tight and
Oh, so quickly that thing came up.
I got a small cave fest. Going in the pond there. Yeah, guys, scratching with the madam, and I've got a. Oh boy, he smacked me. Did you see that? He smacked me. Little cave fest. Get this guy
Babe,
back
that's
in.
too small.
Yeah. She says it's too small, guys. Oh, sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. At least it's a bite. At least it's a bite, man. When there's no fish, it's something to. Yeah, so guys, we changed spot. We ran away from Marina Beach and we came to Pedwood lighthouse, the lighthouse area. And guess who I found here? Guess who I found here, guys? Guess who I found here? Travs,
What's happening?
fishing down south, guys.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, all you guys who've been following us, Paz Extreme, check out fishing down south. Divya and Travis. Yeah, hit that subscription button, guys. Give them the support. Ace, hello, babe. There's the wife here. She's gonna do a recording. Yeah, guys, some weed in the water. We're just enjoying our birthdays away. Gonna scratch a bit here and see what we get. Okay. Yeah, Trav. Prawns in garlic and butter. We're gonna have some nice. Hazel's making the tomato sandwiches. Put some lovely chilies. I have mushroom. I'm gonna make some mushroom also in this garlic butter. Look at this prawns, guys. Yeah, guys. This is supper. We're gonna have a little braai. And now for my mushrooms. Mashed potatoes. Some mushroom. In that same prawn garlic butter marinade. It's gonna have an awesome taste. Guys, look at that. Look at that. That's Uvongo Lagoon down here, in between these trees. Uvongo Pier. There, some guys getting some share there, odd one or two, and some carotene, blacktail. But yeah, I'm here. The barbecue. And the barbecue. I'm on the braai. It's just for myself and Hazel. This is supper. Some lovely marinated lamb chops. I have a proper piece of rum there that I've soaked in some lemon, some vors, some semmels. Oh yeah, we got prawn, mushrooms. That's gonna be our supper. Yeah, guys. Home away from home. Yeah, guys. It's supper time. And is this man babe or is this man?
Anyone.
Sure. Get on the bigger piece.
No, take it out. What you want?
Yeah, guys. That's a close to the day. Supper. As you can see, that's what we're having. Once again, guys, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. Please feel free to comment. Thank you, guys.